On May 28, 2024, we conducted our third Masterclass for our Wiltshire College sports turf students at Reading F.C. At the stadium, James, David and Sam introduced the students to the unique challenges of maintaining a top-tier football pitch. They discussed fixtures, the importance of lighting, weather, shade issues, and the crucial role of data in turf management. James, David and Sam then led our tour of the stadium and facilities. The students got to learn about the lighting rigs, the irrigation systems, the infrastructure and the equipment that is essential for maintaining high quality playing surfaces. Next, we relocated to Bearwood Training Ground. We then moved on to the practical part of the day, which was task 4, line marking. I explained the technique, including the 3-4-5 method for creating a perpendicular line and marking out corner arcs. The practical session challenges the students to mark out a straight 30-metre line. Then, using the 3-4-5 method, they create a perpendicular line which has to be a minimum of 5 metres. Once they've completed this, they can then mark out their corner arc. During the whole process, the students have the opportunity to document their work, taking pictures and videos which they can then use to add to their portfolios. This hands-on experience at Reading FC provides invaluable practical skills and insights. We'd like to thank Scott and the team for allowing us to use their facilities for the masterclass and taking part in passing on knowledge and experience to our students.